Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? Uh, Today we are going to make most famous dish in Pakistan, Asia, that is called shinwari meat. I will make this dish only with few ingredients. So let's start. You need almost 8 to 900 grams of meat of your choice. It is not necessary which part, any part you like. Then you need 6 to 7 of this size of tomatoes. Then we need 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper. Then we need almost 2 teaspoons or less of salt, any salt you can use. Then we need some green chilies, and then we need uh, some this is a garlic. I crush it and I add 1 cup of water in it to make it. So these are the only ingredients, and we also need some oil because we first fry the meat and then we will go for it. So let's start how to cook and when to add these ingredients. I will show you the all stages of this. Added oil is almost 2.5 cup, and nothing in the oil, no salt, nothing. So in this oil I will fry the meat. So I will add this meat in the oil and I will fry it, deep fry. What color I will get, I will show you later. And don't worry about too much oil because all this oil will be removed later on, and there will be less, very less oil. This is just for the frying purpose. Now I am going to add meat in it and we will fry it. So watch carefully. Now our meat is almost fried. I will remove the excessive oil. Almost 90% I will remove, and then I will add other ingredients and I will show you. I have removed all the oil and now I am going to add other ingredients. So I will add salt first. Salt. Now I will add some garlic water as I showed you earlier. Garlic water made with crushed garlic, like it's almost 1 cup, with made with 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add tomatoes. I cut like this and I will put on here. It's almost 6 to 7. If you don't like too much like tomatoes, you can add only 5 of small sizes. So it's good, they give good taste. Toothpick, I think these are enough. After adding tomato, I am going to cover it and it will take like 30 to 35 minutes. Just check the heat. Heat should be not more than this, and we will check after 30 minutes. Okay, and we will remove the skin of tomatoes. Check and remove skin. Some people remove skin, some it's up to you. If you don't want to remove the skin, it's okay. Let's remove the skin of potatoes like this. It's very easy. Put somewhere. But at this stage we will remove skin from all the tomatoes. Skin from all the tomatoes. No, you have to simply mash like this or crush like this. Like this. Don't crush your meat, okay? And like this. And at this stage I will add black peppers. Almost 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And let it cook. Cover it again and cook it on low to medium heat. Depends on the area in which you live. If you live in the hilly area, it will take more time to cook. If you live on the something plain area, it will get tender very easily. Now I'll cover it and I will wait. Okay, 30 to 35 minutes it will look like this, and at this stage we will increase our heat and we will fry it little bit again, and we will add some other ingredients to enhance its taste. So let's increase some heat, and we have to dry out all the water. So at this stage, now because water is almost dry, I am going to add green chilies at this stage. Okay, I will, to enhance the spiciness of this dish, I am going to add all spices mix powder, which is called garam masala in our language, and I will also add some butter at this stage to enhance the taste of the dish, and we will fry it, and it's almost ready. This is 1 tablespoon of butter, or if you like more butter you can add more, it's up to you. This is already done, and to garnish it you can sprinkle some julienne cut of ginger like this, and your dish is ready. You can eat it with bread, with naan, with chapati, with roti, whatever you like. Bye bye, see you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's our first recipe, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.